So since we're on marketing this month, let's talk about resharing user-generated content on social media and on Instagram. There are a couple of ways that this can come up. One is where a brand has tagged you in a photo where maybe they're talking about you. This could be in an influencer context, but this could also be just any user on Instagram tagging a product that they like or product that they use. And talking about it. Technically speaking, even though they're tagging the brand or they're talking about a product, you do not have consent to share a photo that you don't own unless you seek permission. This kind of goes back to copyright law, of course. So usually the person that creates the content, like a photograph, owns that content. You may be able to seek a license or permission to use that content, but they own that content. Giving someone credit is nice, but number one might not be necessary, and number two is not enough to kind of absolve you from copyright infringement. Now, what if it's on social media and it's already out there? Isn't it free to use? No. Instagram's own terms of use kind of talks about this. You know, they say don't post content that you don't have the rights to, kind of goes through a little spiel on intellectual property rights and copyright, and says, you know, if you want to share something that you haven't created or that you don't own, it's always best to seek permission. And they're right. A lot of people go by the adage of just give them credit and you can use it, but that's not legally correct. In other words, to put it simply in one sentence, you should be seeking permission for every photo, whether it's a story or a photo in the feed, before resharing it. Better to ask permission just to be safe. So I hope that helps when it comes to sharing user-generated content, and I will see you next time.